Hey guys, today we're making the improved version of my 2025 Red Ribbon Pineapple Upside Down Cake. It's delicious. Let's do it. First, we preheat the oven to 350. Prepare the cake pan with melted butter, brown sugar, and arrange the pineapple toppings, the cherries, on the bottom. Mix the batter, fill the pan, then bake for 45 to 55 minutes. Invert the cake onto a flat bottom plate. Done! Oh, it's beautiful, and it's that simple. But here are a few notes. Preheat a large heavy bottom metal sheet so the pineapple gets softened and caramelized better. Using cake strips is the best way to have a leveled upside down cake. Squeeze and reuse to save on paper towel when drying the pineapple slices. Let's take a closer look here. Spread the butter on the bottom side, then the brown sugar out evenly. A flexible spatula is all we need. You can cut the rest of pineapple in half and place on the side of the pan or just enjoy them, like this. Yum yum yum. The best time to eat this cake is when it's still slightly warm. It is also so much lighter than a frosted cake, so pair it with one of my easy healthy dinner on my cooking channel, guilt-free. Alright guys, you can help supporting my small channel with like, comment, share on your social media. Oh, do you know where it is? I'll see you next time soon. Bye bye.